y'all, we're in South Mississippi. I'm in Biloxi. This never happens. Woke up this morning to a bunch of snow. You made a snow angel. I don't know if I can see it. Oh yeah, a little bit.
Holy cow,
I see it.
Snow angel.
That is cool. So hey. You got it all over you, didn't you?
Yeah, it's okay.
So like I said, we are in Biloxi. There's Mom coming. Mom said it's too cold. Yeah, it is just so beautiful out here. Oh, I think somebody just hit me with a snowball. Oh.
The snow is a lot worse over here than it was at Dad's.
Really? It's
Thicker.
It's deeper over here at than Dad's?
Yeah.
That's weird because he lives further north. Okay, I'm sure that hurt.
It actually didn't hurt.
Yeah, a few days ago we were in shorts and flip-flops, and today we're having a winter storm. Oh! Oh, I think that one's going to be a good one. Okay, get up.
Hey
Easy.
guys.
It's me again. I'm back just with a little update. So like I said, you know, I live in Biloxi, Mississippi, and this is as far south in Mississippi as you could get. I mean, we're right on the Gulf of Mexico, and we hardly ever see snow. I think the last snowfall that we actually had was in '96. And this is a whole lot more snow than what we got then. So I'm gonna let y'all see it. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see all the pretty stuff. Okay, so here it is. So it's getting a lot deeper than what it was early as my neighbors walking out, but it is so freaking pretty. I mean, like I said, we never, ever get this. I mean, you can't even see the street. The street's right there, and you can't even see the street. And we got ice building up on everything, even the doors. The wind, snow blowing off the roofs of the houses. So, yeah, so this is our day today. So, this is Tuesday. So yeah, I think it's like maybe 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's not supposed to stop snowing until like 6 or 7 at night, maybe. And then it's supposed to be like 12 degrees here tonight, so we'll have this for a while. So it's kind of exciting because, like I said, we never ever really get this. It's a few far in between, but it's never been like this. And I think the last time it was like this, they got 7 inches of snow. It was when my mom was in high school, and that was back in '64, I think she said they got snow like this. So, yeah. So we're going to go and play in it some more, and I will check back in with y'all later. Okay. So I just got back inside, and I decided to make some hot chocolate for the kids when they get back from walking, because Matthew, my son Matthew, and my daughter Colleen, they went walking. Me and Mom went for a little bit, but we can't stand all that cold and stuff like they can. They can handle it a little better than we can, but it's so cold outside. It's never been this cold that I can remember. And I'm 50, and I've never had it this cold before here in South Mississippi. So yeah. So I'm just going to make a little hot chocolate for us and have it ready for when they get back from walking, because they don't want it. It is cold. My poor fingers, it took me a minute to thaw out. I had to put them under the warm water. You can tell I have not gotten dressed today. I have no makeup. My hair's a mess, so I apologize. But we are going to make some of the hot chocolate for them. Tell me, how do you guys make your hot chocolate? I just do the milk and the Nesquik. Sometimes I'll put like some heavy cream in it if I have it. But I don't know, I have to check and see if I have any. So I'm trying to find a spoon so I can put some in here. Okay, so all I use is just the Nesquik. See it? So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna start up, and I'm gonna pour it in our cups, add some marshmallows, and that'll be it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I've decided to make a little dish of mac and cheese, southern mac and cheese. I thought it would be a good day to make some mac and cheese. It's comforting, it's warm, and it's still snowing outside. So I don't know what is going on with my hair, but it doesn't matter because I'm getting ready to dye it today. That's why I didn't fix it. I didn't put any makeup on either. So like I said, I apologize, but I have no idea what's going on with that. But anyway, I am going to make this mac and cheese. So when I post a video, you'll be able to find, as you know, per usual, making recipes. I will have it posted in the description box. So anyway, let's get started. So this is a mild cheddar. So I'm just going to grate up some mild cheddar, and then I think I have some Colby Jack cheese in the refrigerator, and I'm going to grate that up too to put in there. And when I get done grating it, I'll come back. Okay, so yeah, it's the Colby Jack that I have. So I had the mild cheddar. I just grated that up, and then I'm going to grate this Colby Jack up, and then I'm going to start putting everything together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to my noodles. I've already boiled them. I used the large elbow macaroni. Usually I use the small ones, but I didn't have any of that, so I just used what I had. You can use any kind of noodle, actually. Anyway, I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to melt this down in here. I'm going to add my cheese and my milk, and then my seasonings, and then I'm going to pour it into a baking dish, and then add some more cheese on top of it, and then we're going to bake it at 350 for probably about 20 minutes, depending on, I'll just have to keep checking because everybody's oven is different. It might be a little less than that, it might be a little more than that, so you just have to keep checking it, and once it turns a golden brown on top and it's all bubbly, then you'll know it's done. Okay, so now my butter's melted in with my noodles. I am going to add my milk. I have a 1.5 cups of whole milk and a half a cup of evaporated milk. So it's the canned milk. So it's a 1/2 cup of evaporated and a 1.5 cups of whole milk. I'm just gonna pour this in here, get that in there. And then I'm gonna start adding my cheese. So what I'm basically doing is just getting it all melted down, and I'm gonna pour it all into my pan, melt it down. And then I'm gonna add some more cheese on top. And then, like I said, I'm gonna stick it in the oven and bake it at 350 for probably about 20-25 minutes, give or take, depending on how it looks at that time. So I'll just usually just keep checking just to make sure. But you want it a nice golden brown and bubbly. And that's when you know it's done. So right now I'm just, like I said, I'm gonna melt all my cheese down, and then I'm going to put all my as nice and creamy. And now I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to put about maybe a teaspoon of salt. I don't want to use too much salt in it because I salted the water when I was boiling the noodles. And so I'm going to use some black pepper. You probably want to use about a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, or if you like more, you can use more. That should do. And then I'm going to use some Cajun seasoning, and you can use whatever Cajun seasoning you want. I'm just using a Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning mix because we like spicy Cajun-y stuff. So I'll probably use about a 1/2 teaspoon of the Cajun season mix. And if you want to taste it when you get done adding all this in, taste it. And if you want to add more, you can. I'd rather you not add a whole lot and then go taste it and then add it to your liking if it's not enough. Because you can always add, but you cannot take out of what you've put in. Okay, so I am going to spray this down with some butter, so the mac and cheese, the noodles won't stick to the bottom, and that way it'll be a lot easier getting it out and it won't burn. So like I said, I did not make a whole lot. If you want to double this recipe, you can do that if you feed more people, but I'm just mainly cooking this today just to have something, just to have like a comfort southern food to eat on today. Like I said, it's snowy outside, and I just thought this would be something good to feed my family today with it snowing. So there you have it, and I'm going to add some more, we'll grate some more cheese to add some more to the top, and then I'm going to stick it in the oven for 350 when it gets done. So what'd you think of the snow today?
I enjoyed it.
That was the first actual snow you've been in, huh, and seen.
Yeah. Besides that time it snowed one, and it was just ice.
Yeah, it was like a little ice storm, but today was different, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too bad it don't do it every winter, huh?
Right. Every Christmas, that'd be nice.
Yeah, it would be. Pray.